Dental implants are increasingly sought after by those who suffer from missing some or all teeth. In addition, they appear and feel similar to natural teeth, but they also have a number of benefits that are superior to alternative options for tooth replacement. In this clip, we'll look at the advantages of dental implants as well as the reason what they can do to make them the ideal choice for you. One of the primary advantages of dental implants are their longevity. Contrary to other alternatives for tooth replacement, including dentures and bridges, implants have been built to last for the long haul, provided they are properly maintained. So, when the implant is in place and the crown is inserted and you're able to carry on everyday activities without having to worry about your implant falling loose or getting damaged. A further benefit that dental implants offer is their capacity to stop the loss of bone. If one tooth is missing, the bone surrounding it is prone to degeneration with time. The result can be alteration in the form of the face as well as lead to other teeth moving. Implants are placed inside the jawbone. Implant serves as a root replacement, encouraging bone growth and hindering the bone from further degradation. Dental implants can also bring better oral health advantages when compared with other alternatives. Contrary to bridges, which need nearby teeth to be filed and sealed, implants made of dental material do not alter the teeth around them. The result is that your original teeth will remain unaffected. This will result in better dental well-being. Apart from the physical benefits associated with dental implants, a lot of patients are also reporting an increase in their lives. Dental implants mean you can eat, talk and eat without fear, knowing the new teeth you receive are secure and secure. This will boost confidence in yourself and enable you to have fun with social events without having the worry that your teeth could shift or becoming loose. Dental implants are a long-lasting and secure option for losing teeth. Their long-lasting durability, the ability to prevent bone loss, and the improved health benefits of oral hygiene makes them an attractive selection for lots of individuals. If you're thinking about dental implants, make sure to consult your dentist regarding the advantages of dental implants and if they're the best option for you.